Hi everyone, today we will try to review the project called Animal Alarm with the Lego Essential Set. This is a built-in project based on the tutorials. So it has a brain, it got the camera to detect the colors, and also it has a light to represent the colors. The camera being connected with the port B, and the light being connected with the port A. So how the program works: once we put the object close to the camera, for example the blue one, it turns to the red. And we can improve this program, we can add more features, we can add sounds. That's what we're gonna do in the next steps. So the next step is we're gonna go to the Spike program and start to write the program for our model. So let's open the Spike program. So once it's open, we have two options to choose essential or prime. I will choose essential. Then inside of the essential, I will select the unit plans and great adventures. So if I scroll down, I will find the animal alarm. So that's the project we built. It starts with the story. So after the story, we have instruction for the building, constructing the model. And once this over, you can see the step-by-step instruction to how to build the model. So once this over, we can start the programming to model. So in order to the programming, we need to connect the hub with our program. We can do that with USB, or we can press here, then press on your processor. Once it starts to blink, your processor name should appear here. To my one is SE6. I will connect this one, and if there's a green OK sign, that means it's done, it's connected. So the first one is simple one, drag and drop for the students. We can literally drag and drop this code, right? It will do the camera. When camera see the blue block, the red light will turn on. It will wait for 1 second and it will be off again. So if we can press the blue button and play this code, but I would like to improve this program and see how we can improve this code with a little bit different way. So we got the blue block, and let's make this to turn the blue color, and then turned off. Then we can duplicate this code, and we can do the same thing for the red color. I can select the red in here, and I can say, so if you see the red, it's gonna turn it to the red. We can do the same thing for the other colors, such as green. If you see the green, we can say turn to the green and wait for 1 second and turned off. So we can use some sound blocks here. We can record some music for that. And once we click to the play button, the program is gonna start to work for us. Okay, now it's time to test our project. We have 3 test objects: the blue object, red object, and 1 green object. I'm gonna start my test with the blue object. So when I put my object in front of the camera, you can see the light turn into the blue. When I put my red object in front of the camera, you can see the light turn into the red. And when I put my green object in front of the camera, you can see the light turn into the green. So we can add more sounds and more colors to this project. Thank you for the watching. If you have any questions, please comment that questions.